Hey PuffCuff family, it's Ceata again. I am coming to you with a quick before church tutorial. This is our double-sided t-shirt turban, and we try to always have, one color fabric or pattern on one side and then an opposite contrasting color on the other side, usually a solid. One thing that you need to be aware of is because we source the fabric from either reclaimed or end-run materials to try to keep them out of the landfill, we never can guarantee what color you're gonna get. This is one of the examples of the ones that we're selling. Usually after I get out the shower, instead of drying my hair with a towel, I use the t-shirt turban, but these are also nice enough to be able to wrap your head with it and actually leave the house. I've already got my makeup done. I've slicked down my edges with the brown Eco Gel already, and I've got the PuffCuff Mini holding my hair up, and I kind of put my puff towards the front. So the round part is where you put your head, or where you put over your head. So you just kind of do it like that. And I try to get it as tight as possible. Maybe flip it a little up so you can see the print. And then basically all I'm doing is just twisting until I get it sort of the shape that I want. And then I'm just gonna tuck it in, and that's it. And then because you got that contrasting fabric, you end up with a really cool look that you can not only be deep conditioning your hair underneath, but looking kind of stylish while you do it. So that is the double-sided t-shirt turban. That's one side. And then let's say if you're really just wanting to use it just to dry your hair, one of the sides will contain like an elastic loop like this to make it easy to just kind of put it in a turban-like style. So you still twist it again, then you bring the tail to the back and you kind of pull it through so it stays in place. But that's it. The t-shirt turban, the double-sided PuffCuff t-shirt turban, available on our website. All right, bye-bye. Would you like to see more styling tutorials using the PuffCuff? Then please subscribe to our YouTube channel.